guys, it's Cheche here once again. For today's video, I'm going to cook lugo. You call it kunji, puspas, porridge, whatever it is, it's all the same. So it's gonna be plain lugo with malunggay, moringa, kamunggay, whatever you call it. I'm going to answer a question as well if lugo is essential for me. So keep on watching. Now, let's start cooking. Let's talk about our ingredients. We have 4 cups of water, 1 cup of long grain rice, garlic, shallots, salt, pepper, and our moringa or kamunggay. And our optional ingredient, pork crackle. If you have pork crackle, you have to take it easy with your salt because this is already salty. So now, that's it. I'm going to put the rice immediately in the pot. I'm going to cover it and let it boil for 20 minutes. I'm going to check my lugaw. Oops. Checking the consistency. Hot. Needs more cooking. For me, lugaw is essential. Found out the hard way 5 years ago when I went home and attended my brother's church wedding in the Philippines. After the wedding, I got sick. I had food poisoning. The cook or the caterer, it must be, just be me. For 4 days, I couldn't eat anything else, but my breakfast, lunch, and dinner was lugaw, plain lugaw, just the porridge with salt and nothing else that can hold my tummy. Because if I eat something else like oily foods, it's straight to the, you know what I mean. So, people, lugaw, porridge, congee, whatever you name it, is essential food for the sick. Salt, easy with the salt. It's not even a teaspoon because I have the pork crackle or the chicharron, we call it. So, now that's the salt. Salt in. Put the pepper. Garlic. It's my garlic. Kamunggay. Take note, I just put not even half a teaspoon of salt because this pork crackle is already salty. Stir it. You put the shallot. I put too much shallot. It's overpowering it.
That's it?
Not yet.
Well, we're just gonna watch you eating.
I'm about to say something. I'm gonna edit it that way. Alright, thank you so much for watching and see you on my next vlog.